Larry Brink here with the Society of American Military Swordsmanship. In response to Richard Marsden's challenge to the HEMA Alliance to produce an instructional video during the month of April, we'll be producing a video outlining George Minniss's balance and extension motions from his 1833 Infantry Sword Exercise Manual. We hope you enjoy. Once the squad is formed for the sword exercise, the command ground swords will be given. At the command ground swords, move the right foot to the rear about 18 inches, laying the sword inside of the hilt to the ground, in line, and about 12 inches from the left heel point to the front, and spring smartly up to attention. First extension motions. First motion. Bring the hands across the thighs, meeting the fingers in front. Raise them gradually at full extent of arms to the form of an arch over the head. Second motion. Part the hands, keeping the arms well to the rear at full extent. Palms of the hands turn up, lowering them slowly to the sides. Third motion. Move them slowly up and well to the rear. Palms turn up, meeting the thumbs over the head at full extent, and palms to the front. Fourth motion. Move both head and arms to the front together, leaning well over the knees, braced up. Fifth motion. Part the hands, bring the little fingers in a line with the seams of the pantaloons below the knee, and raise the body, coming to attention. Second extension motions. First motion. Raise the hands to the front, meeting the palms without telling at full extent of arms and in line with the shoulders. Second motion. Move them smartly to the rear, palms to the front and in line with the shoulders. Move them front and rear by the words 1 and 2. At the word steady, come to attention. Third extension motions. First motion. Raise the hands and arms from the elbows in front of the shoulders, palms to the front. Second motion. Dart them smartly out to full extent in front, meeting the palms and keeping them in a line with the shoulders. Move them back and forward by the words 1 and 2. At the word steady, come to attention. Positions of the sword exercise. First position in 3 motions. First motion. Move the hands and arms smartly to the rear, seizing the right arm above the elbow with the left hand, and back of the hand to the body and thumb outside, and the left elbow underneath with the right hand. Second motion. Raise the toes, turn on the heels. Make a half face to the left with the left toe pointing direct to the left and the right to the front. Third motion. Raise the right foot and make the right heel tell smartly against the left. Second position in 2 motions. First motion. Sink slowly down, parting the knees, keeping the body erect between the legs and leaning the whole weight of the body on the left leg. Second motion. Raise the right foot and beat a firm attack with the flat from 12 to 18 inches direct to the front without moving the position of the body. The 4 balance motions. First motion. Raise the right foot and place it on the toe 6 inches to the rear of the left heel without moving the position of the body. Second motion. Slowly brace up the left leg and stand erect. Third motion. Sink down as before. Fourth motion. Beat a firm attack to the front in the second position. On the command first position, spring up, bringing the right heel smartly against the left. Third position in 2 motions. First motion. Move the right shoulder to the front and bend the right knee. Second motion. Lunge out so far out with the right foot that the right knee may be perpendicular with the instep, the left leg to be well braced up. Fourth extension motions. First motion. Part the hands from the arms. Bring them across the hips, meeting the backs at the bottom of the belly. Move them slowly up. When opposite the chest, clench the fists, square the elbows, part the hands, and bring each over to the respective shoulder, the knuckles touching the shoulders. Count a pause and dart them front and rear to full extent. Palms turn up, the right in a line with the right eye, the left inclined down about 4 inches from the side. Second motion. Sink over. Bend the right arm and place the elbow on the right knee. Fists clenched and over it. Raise the left hand in a line with the shoulder. Third motion. Bring the right elbow along the thigh till it comes in contact with the body. Move both body and arm together till it comes erect, and dart the right hand out to full extension as before. Fourth motion. Brace up the right knee and stand erect on both legs. Fifth motion. Sink over as before. At the command first position, spring up smartly, bringing the right heel against the left and folding the arms behind the back. At the command attention, part the arms, raise the right foot, turn on the left heel, and place the right heel against the left, resuming the position of attention. And this pretty much concludes our video on the positions, extensions, and balance motions of George Minniss's infantry sword exercise of 1833. If you enjoyed our video, please subscribe and like us on Facebook. And until then, I am Larry Brink with the Society of American Military Swordsmanship.